Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining pristine air quality within your home, especially for those who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues, as this advanced filtration system is meticulously engineered to capture even the tiniest airborne particles, including dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores, ensuring that the air you breathe is as clean and healthy as possible, making it an indispensable addition to your Miele vacuum cleaner for a truly purified living environment. Number 5. Miele Hepa Airclean filter with TimeStrip. For your Miele vacuum, only genuine Miele Airclean filters are recommended. Using off-brand alternatives can harm your machine and reduce its effectiveness. This HEPA filter effectively captures 99.95% of fine dust, allergens, viruses, and bacteria. It's an excellent choice for individuals with house dust allergies. The integrated TimeStrip clearly shows when the filter is saturated and needs changing. This ensures your vacuum always operates at peak performance. Our filters neutralize odors and trap airborne contaminants, providing you with fresh, clean air. This is especially beneficial for pet owners. Replace the filter annually to keep your appliance performing optimally. It's designed for specific Miele models and ideal for allergy sufferers. What we like. This filter is designed to capture 99.95% of viruses and bacteria, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners. The integrated TimeStrip ensures you know exactly when to replace it for optimal performance. If you're looking for the freshest indoor air and want to ensure your Miele vacuum is always at its best, this is the filter for you. What people say. The Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is a genuine Miele product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Miele vacuum cleaners. This filter effectively captures fine dust particles and allergens, contributing to cleaner air quality in your home. The HEPA filtration system is designed to trap 99.95% of particles as small as 0.5 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Number 4. Improvedhand 3D Airclean Dust Bags for Miele FJM Vacuums. Our replacement bags are crafted from high-quality, multi-ply materials. This ensures maximum dust collection and helps protect your vacuum, keeping fine dust locked away. These bags are designed to fit a wide range of Miele vacuum models, including Compact C1, C2, Complete C1, and various S-Series. Enjoy a perfect fit for your appliance. Experience superior air quality with our 5-layer Micro Plus filtration system. It captures 99.97% of allergens and fine particles, creating a healthier living space for your family. Our bags feature a unique self-locking collar and a sanitary spring-loaded shutter. This design ensures that once the machine is off, the dust stays securely inside, preventing any escape. Each package includes 10 replacement dust bags, 3 motor protection filters, and 3 air clean filters. We recommend replacing the bags every 3 to 6 months for optimal performance. We are committed to providing you with high-quality products and excellent after-sale service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. With a 5-layer filtration system, these bags capture 99.97% of fine dust and pet dander, creating a healthier living space. The self-locking collar design ensures dust stays contained when you change the bag. If you have pets or suffer from allergies and want a cost-effective solution with plenty of replacement bags and filters, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is a genuine Miele product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Miele vacuum cleaners. It effectively captures fine dust particles and allergens, contributing to cleaner indoor air quality. The filter is designed for easy installation and replacement, making maintenance straightforward. Number 3. Improvedhand 3D Airclean Bags for Miele GN Vacuums. Experience exceptional cleaning with our premium 5-layer microfiber bags. They are designed for durability, ensuring a longer lifespan for your vacuum cleaner. These replacement bags offer extensive compatibility with a wide range of Miele canister vacuum cleaner series. They are designed to fit models like the Classic C1, Complete C2, C3, and many more. Our advanced 5-layer microfiltration system captures up to 99.97% of fine dust and allergens. Enjoy a cleaner home and improved air quality with every use. Designed with a built-in sanitary shutter, these bags prevent dust and debris from escaping when you change them. This ensures a cleaner and healthier environment for your family. The bags allow air to pass through easily, maintaining optimal suction power even at lower settings. This makes your vacuum more efficient and effective. Each package includes dust bags, motor protection filters, and air clean filters for comprehensive maintenance. We are committed to providing you with quality products and excellent service. What we like. These bags offer a 5-layer microfiber filtration system that captures 99.97% of allergens and fine dust, significantly improving your home's air quality. The sanitary shutter prevents dust from escaping during bag changes. If you're seeking a reliable and effective way to maintain a clean and healthy environment, especially if you have pets or allergies, these bags are a great option. What people say. The Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is a genuine Miele product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Miele vacuum cleaners. This filter is designed with a HEPA filtration system, which captures 99.95% of dust particles, allergens, and bacteria, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and maintaining a healthier home environment. The AirClean filter effectively neutralizes odors, leaving the air fresh and clean after vacuuming. Number 2. Active filter for Miele vacuum cleaners SFHA 50. Ensure your Miele vacuum cleaner performs at its best with our premium quality replacement filters. They are designed to capture even the smallest dust particles. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Miele vacuum cleaner models, including the S4, S5, S6, S8, Complete C2, Complete C3, Compact C1, and Compact C2 series. Our filters are made from the latest high-strength, environmentally friendly materials. They can effectively capture dust as tiny as 0.3 microns, upgrading your cleaning experience. Each package contains 2 AirClean SFHA 50 filters. Remember to replace them regularly to maintain optimal performance of your machine. Please check our compatibility guidelines carefully before purchasing. If you are unsure, feel free to contact us for assistance to ensure you get the right fit for your vacuum. While these are not original Miele OEM products, they are designed to work just as effectively. Experience great performance with these high-quality parts. What we like. This filter is engineered with high-strength, eco-friendly materials to capture dust as fine as 0.3 microns. It's designed as a direct replacement for specific Miele models, ensuring a perfect fit and performance. If you need a dependable filter to upgrade your cleaning work and are looking for a compatible option for your S4, S8 series vacuum, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is a genuine Miele product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Miele vacuum cleaners. It effectively captures fine dust particles, allergens, and odors, contributing to cleaner indoor air quality. The filter is designed for easy installation and replacement, making maintenance hassle-free. Number 1. 3-pack AirClean SFHA 50 filter replacement for Miele vacuums. Breathe easier with this value pack of 3 AirClean filters. They provide ample replacements to keep your home's air fresh while you vacuum. These filters are designed for a perfect fit with many Miele vacuum models, including the S4, S5, S6, S8 series, and Complete C2 C3 vacuums. Please note they are not compatible with the classic C1 model. Upgrading your air quality is effortless. This complete kit installs in just 2 to 3 minutes, requiring no tools for a quick and easy replacement. Crafted from high-quality materials, these replacements ensure durability and effective filtration. They are designed to work seamlessly with your compatible Miele vacuum. For optimal suction performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 2 to 3 months. This simple step extends the life of your vacuum and maintains its efficiency. What we like. This value pack provides 3 durable AirClean SFHA 50 filters, making it easy to maintain your vacuum's performance and indoor air quality. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking only a couple of minutes. If you want a convenient and cost-effective way to ensure your Miele vacuum continues to perform optimally and improve the air you breathe, this multi-pack is perfect for you. What people say. The Miele Hepa Airclean 50 filter is a genuine Miele product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Miele vacuum cleaners. This filter effectively captures fine dust particles and allergens, contributing to cleaner indoor air quality. The HEPA filtration system is designed to trap 99.95% of particles as small as 0.5 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.